land of the calloused hand, your dignity's defined. There's a calmness here at this time of year, when the men return to the fields, when the wind blows strong and the nights grow long. At the door your hunger yields. So tell me that you'll hold me, stronger we will stand. I can see the day when we'll know the way, and we'll return to the land. When the martyrs fall from the castle wall, and menace clouds the air, when reason dies to the sound of lies, you'll be far away from there. So tell me that you'll hold me, stronger we will stand. I can see the day when we'll know the way, and we'll return to the land. So tell me that you'll hold me, stronger we will stand. I can see the day when we'll know the way, and we'll return to the land. When the death knell tolls like in days of old, a time you will foresee, when your children smile and your heart runs wild, and you'll be free. So tell me that you'll hold me, stronger we will stand. I can see the day when we'll know the way, and we'll return